All right, man. So what is going on, YouTube? How are you guys doing today? How was your week? How did you start the week? Was it fucking, was it cheeky? Was it, was it bad? Was it great? Yeah, whatever. So yeah, man, this is just a little trade recap. Always, like always, just go over the trades I took today. Obviously, I passed two account today, 200Ks, account from Elite Trader Funding. So I just thought, just grab two account, just try, try your luck today, innit? Obviously, it's all time high, so pretty much there's nothing crazy to do. I'm a reversal trader, so it's just hard to trade all time highs in it. But yeah, man, let's just get into it. So obviously, my bias today was neutral. I don't even know what to do. I just thought, okay, man, I'll just do whatever the market presents. Whatever the market shows me, I'll do it. Like whatever, it tells me, okay, he's gonna go up, I'll just take a buy position. It tells me he's gonna go down, I'll just take a sell position. So the thought process was okay today, just obviously come in the market, anticipate and see what's gonna happen. So yeah, that's what I did. Nevertheless, got a winning trade, and that winning trade, you know, it was a decent trade, I would say, because I know where the price is gonna go. I know where price is going. So, I anticipate that so clean to the fact that, I got my entry literally zero drawdown, bar. Zero drawdown. It went straight to TP and I was so grateful because I'll tell you, those funded account, yeah, it had to pass. You got trading drawdown. Once you're in profit, your drawdown it follows you in profit. You just fucking bunch of rules, bro. They just want to make you fail. So it's like you have to be in the top spot mentally to pass an account is crazy. So yeah, that's by the way, man. So I'll just scale down to the 1 minute time frame. I'll just show you my framework, what I did today, obviously what I saw, and I'll show you my execution as well on the chat. So just before we open here, obviously this is all time highs, isn't it? So I marked out the all time highs, and I was just waiting. I was just waiting for price to do its thing. So we open and we pretty much consolidate for like 50-point range. So you can see this whole range was just bunch of consolidation. So one thing I did, yeah, I marked out the opening price for 930 right here. It should be 930 opening price, sorry. So I marked out the 930 opening price. Obviously that's a key area for me. But I normally use, the opening price to like, filter some setup. So I marked it out and then I was just waiting for this range. So one thing again is, I drew out my first presented. Obviously I did take it off, but I drew out this little fair value gap. That was the first fair value gap that was made of the soon as we open. So that gap there was made. And yeah, I was just waiting, like you see right here, we came all the way down, retest this gap one, not once, not twice, and then we just buy off. So from there, what was I thinking? So I was thinking, okay, we'll deliver off this area to take out the swing high. Obviously, we didn't get to all time highs, but that's by the way. I don't really care to be honest. I was just looking for a reversal. So the first reversal would have been this trade, but I didn't take it. Why? Because we didn't get to sweep all time highs. So I was thinking, okay, this might just be a little bit of pullback. This right here might just be a little bit of pullback. So before, for price just to go back up to all time highs, isn't it? So obviously I was wrong. So we went all the way down. So after that, yeah, I was thinking, okay, this swing low, this swing low right here is a major liquidity for me. Like it's so clean. If I'm gonna get a short position, I'm gonna have to take, it's gonna have to be to the swing low. So I was waiting, obviously, I was waiting for price to see if this all run, right, yeah, it's gonna take us to all time highs. So take out all time highs and then we'll look for a reversal. But we didn't get that trade. So from there, we pretty much we go up. And I think we have SMT right here. I don't really know, but I didn't check it. So, but yeah, went up a little bit. So I went to the 30 seconds time frame. I saw a little gap. I saw the little gap on this 1 minute time frame as well. Right, yeah. Put the void. And I saw that gap here. And I combined the gap, the 1 minute gap and the 30-second gap. So I combined them two gaps. And I thought, okay, if we get the inverse, I might just take it. So we did get it inverse. I got my entry straight away right there. Got my entry there, a bit of consolidation, and then just went, straight down. Like I said, trailing stop here is gonna fuck you up. If you don't take profit or you like, let's say you just slap in like let's say you slap on 10 cons of NQ, yeah, just to pass your account one time in it, and obviously you're in profit. If you're in profit for 3K, obviously your drawdown is 3K, and like let's say you float in profit, and you know you manage to come all the way back to your entry, your account is gonna be cooked. So I thought, yeah, I'll just take it slow, yeah. So I had to like, size down, you know, along the way I was just adding to my position, adding to my position. From there, I managed to, to make some profit, some decent profit, about 6K. So I did make that profit, and obviously I did pass my account, but now I still have to wait for 5 days, innit? So I still have to wait for 5 days before I can get my account from this firm. Well, yeah, I did pass my account literally today, man. It was great. And yeah, hopefully we will still get like a little bit of dump. And I think right now this dump is nothing to me. Still want to see price come all the way. Let me just go to the forward chart. See on the forward chart what's going on. Realistically, I still want to see price come all the way to take out this low. That will mean a lot. That will mean something, bro. At least we're gonna say, okay, we took out this low. Probably we're gonna react off this gap. So it's gonna be something like this. Something like this. So probably gonna, come all the way to this low, take out this low, touch up this right here, tap in this gap, and from there we can, walk back all the way back towards our mind. But yeah, nevertheless, man, see how it goes. We see from this week and next week as well. So yeah, decent price action today. I didn't expect this today. I thought it was just gonna be all time highs and then we're just gonna keep consolidating. But yeah, we did get a good setup, and I'm grateful. Yeah, man. I've just launched a free Telegram group for signals, educational stuff. If you like to join for your own benefit. If you're new into trading, you want to learn, you want to get started, trust me, just join the Telegram group. I live stream every single day. I live stream, if you have question about anything, I'll reply to you, you get me? Yeah, man, it's just for fun, For now, it's just, just free. You can join up, we have fun, we take trades, we make money, basically. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I took today, man. And like I said, I will show you my execution. First, let me just show you my P&L. So you see what it says straight away right there. EVAL. You can see my P&L. 6K. Show you my execution as well. Execution as well. The I don't know why it's not showing, but it should be showing my execution in it. I don't know why my execution is not showing on the chart, but maybe probably because it's already the next day. My kid's about to open in about 5 minutes. They probably took it off, so but yeah, I'll show you right here. I'll show you this. This is my account right here. Trade of it. You can see eval, ETF. Solid day, decent, good trade, good setup. Follow my rules. Everything is good. And yeah, hopefully the rest of the week is a banger trade as well. So yeah, appreciate you for watching my videos. 29 views from the last video. I appreciate you. I'll just keep going. You know, regardless of the amount of views I get, I'll still keep going. Right now, I'm in a tough place mentally, but we'll move forward in it. From there, we can, we get to the top. But yeah, man, appreciate you for watching my videos. See you guys next time. Probably tomorrow. If I take a trade, and I'll just do the same thing, make a trade recap, and then I'll just post it on YouTube. But yeah, man, I appreciate you lot for watching my videos once again. And yeah, see you guys later in a bit.